Today we're taking a look at, this should look familiar to a lot of you folks. This is 235. We've got the right pad over here on the left, and this is the location of old Osborn, where all the houses were moved from. And this particular view involves an old scene from around 1900, back in the day when they used to do some horse racing out here on, this would be considered Sand Hill Road at the time. And back here you can see the houses that were on Johnston Street, which is Haddocks Road today. And I've already covered this a few years back, but I wanted to go one step further and bring in some stuff that I've learned about these houses in the background. I thought it might be kind of neat to see where exactly these houses were moved to. So you've got 41 North Grand and 202 East Main Street and 214 East Xenia. So there's our little history lesson for the day. Sure hope you're enjoying the content. If so, you know what to do. Smash that like button and subscribe. Thank you.